is in Arlington, where the town says a student at Stratton Elementary is now showing symptoms of the coronavirus after one of the student's parents tested positive. Stratton, as a result, will be closed tomorrow. Good evening, everyone. I'm Ken McLeod.
And I'm Katie Brace. And tonight there are several other schools closed tomorrow for cleaning as a parent or a household member has a presumptive case of coronavirus. 2 schools in Plainville will be closed, the Anna Ware Jackson School and the Beatrice H. Wood School. And the St. Mary's Catholic Schools in Worcester will also not be open.
Today, the state confirmed 15 new presumptive cases of coronavirus, bringing the statewide total to 28. All of the presumptive cases are related to the Biogen conference at the Long Wharf Marriott the week before last. Our team coverage begins tonight with WBZ's Jim Smith.
Cleaning and sanitation crews hard at work at Natick High School. This comes after word the parent of 2 high school students has a presumed positive test for COVID-19. Officials say the students are healthy and are not showing any symptoms, but the family is already in quarantine until cleared to return to school. Meanwhile, Massachusetts announced 15 new presumptive cases, the DPH saying all 15 have a direct connection to the recent Biogen conference at the Marriott Long Wharf in Boston, bringing to 23 the number of cases associated with that meeting. In all, Massachusetts now has 28 cases, 27 of them still to be confirmed by the CDC. New Hampshire now has 4 cases. 2 were announced Sunday, including a man who mingled with about 60 people at a West Lebanon church before he even realized he was sick.
The individual that was at the church service on March 1st at that time did not know that they were infected with COVID-19. The church service was just before they had developed symptoms and had not been identified for testing at that point.
In another development, Special Olympics of New Hampshire has canceled 3 upcoming events due to coronavirus concerns. The other new case in New Hampshire is a man who had traveled to Italy, but dozens more people are under observation in New Hampshire right now.
The current number of individuals that are under public health monitoring is approximately 150. This includes both travelers that we've been monitoring as well as people who have been identified as close contacts to cases.
And as we all know, it's been a really mild winter with hardly any snow days, but now we have this crisis. So it remains to be seen what impact coronavirus closures will have on impacted school districts and their calendars. I'm Jim Smith, WBZ News. Katie?
And Jim, several other schools have been cleaning and sanitizing buildings this weekend, but they will be open for school tomorrow. They include Horace Mann Elementary in Newton, Bowman Elementary in Lexington, Bedford High School, and all Weston Public Schools. Now, the 2 schools in Wellesley that closed early on Friday for cleaning will also be back open tomorrow. And the town of Norwood says all town offices and schools will be open as well, as 11 town officials and employees remain under self-quarantine there.